Hi, this is Jay with Jantech Services, and this is good stuff to know. We're back with more questions to be asking prior to purchasing or selecting a new UPS system. I would ask, how many technicians does the proposer have to service my equipment, and what is their location with regards to my facility? Very, very important, so you understand what kind of distance folks have to travel to get to your facility. I would also ask, where's the closest stocking parts location for the model I'm purchasing? We want to know, if we need parts, where are they coming from? How long am I going to have to wait to get them? Do I have a guaranteed response time during the warranty period? Very important to know. If you have an expectation of somebody being there in 2 or 4 hours and they don't show up, what is the guarantee you're getting from that manufacturer? What does the warranty actually cover? Is it bumper to bumper? Does it cover everything you purchased, including but not limited to the UPS, the batteries, any and all peripherals, switchgear, breakers, etc.? And what are the response times and the hours of operation for that warranty? Is it 7 by 24 by 365? Is it 8 to 5 Monday through Friday? Real important to know what to expect if you do have a problem during the warranty. And another thing I would look at is post-warranty cost. I would ask the question, if I buy extended warranty up front versus buying a maintenance agreement after the warranty expires, what are the price differentials? You may find that you can buy that same service with the equipment up front in advance for a great discount compared to buying that same service post-warranty. We'll be back with some additional questions on our next video.